Hey everyone, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. The Rich Post myself Ajay and I hope you are doing great. So guys, in this working video, I'm going to show you the beautiful e-commerce website demo in Angular 20. And also I will share the proper GitHub code snippet link as well. So friends, before showing you working demo and code, I must say please watch the video till the end and please subscribe my channel for latest updates. So friends, here we go. See the beautiful e-commerce demo in Angular 20. See the home page where we can see all the products with default filter functionality as well. See, in future I will add pagination here as well. Now the single product page. See, wait, add to cart, product edit, and cart. And guys, after it, I will add the mini cart as well in next video. And this is a cart page. We can delete the product as well, increase the delete as well. See all the things working as well. See increasing, increase. And here is checkout. See the checkout pop-up as well. And after it I will create the checkout page as well. But in this demo we have this the default e-commerce site with home page, the products page, checkout page, cart page, and single product page as well. And like I said, in next video we will customize it as well. But now here is the code as well. See the project setup. First I have cloned the project from this git repo. See, after git clone, I have just run two commands and npm install and ng-serve. Then we will have the demo ready. And here is the folder and file structure. Insert app, the components, see the models, pipes, services for the cart and added products and other things in proper Angular 20. So friends, for now, this is it. And like I said, please stay tuned for next video. We will customize this demo as well. So friends, in the end, I must say few things. Please subscribe my channel and please support me. And thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.